Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of how to use AI for channel promotion. This isn't just a talk, it's a rocket launch to skyrocket your online presence, turn your channel into a global sensation, and make your dreams so big they scare the socks off your grandma's knitting club. Let's make your content go viral, organically, and maybe even break the internet while we're at it. Ready? Let's roll. Picture this. You've got a YouTube channel, a TikTok profile, or maybe an Instagram Reels obsession. You're pouring your heart into creating content, funny skits, life-changing tutorials, or epic vlogs. But the views? They're moving slower than a sloth on a coffee break. Sound familiar? Don't worry, because AI is about to become your new best friend, your secret weapon, and the turbo boost your channel needs to hit billions of views. Yes, billions, with a B. Why AI? Because it's your 24/7 marketing genius. A einem czak a technologiai nerdzewagi, a sci-fi filmic shamara. It's like having a marketing team, a data analyst, and a creative director all rolled into one, working for you around the clock, for free or next to nothing. AI tools can analyze trends, optimize your content, and get your videos in front of the right eyeballs faster than you can say algorithm. But here's the kicker. You don't need a PhD in computer science to use it. If you can order a pizza online, you can master AI for channel promotion. Let's break it down with some practical, laugh out loud strategies. Step 1. Let AI be your trend spotting sidekick. First, you need to know what's hot. AI tools like TubeBuddy, VidIQ, or even ChatGPT can analyze trending keywords, hashtags, and topics faster than you can binge watch a Netflix series. Want to know what's blowing up on TikTok? Plug in a few keywords, and AI will spit out a list of trending phrases like hashtag viral dance challenge or hashtag life hack goals. Use these to craft titles and descriptions that make algorithms drool. Pro tip, sprinkle in some humor. A title like Why My Cat's Better at AI Than Me might just catch more clicks than top 5 AI tips. Be bold, be you, and let AI guide your vibe. Step 2. Optimize like a boss with AI. Here's where the magic happens. AI can optimize your video metadata, titles, tags, descriptions, like a pro. Tools like Canva's AI-driven design platform or Descript's auto-editing features can polish your thumbnails and intros to make viewers stop scrolling. Imagine your thumbnail, vibrant, eye-catching, with text that screams, "Click me or miss out." AI can even suggest the best posting times based on your audience's habits. It's like having a crystal ball that says, "Post at 7 p.m. on Thursday, and you'll trend harder than a puppy video." Trust the data and watch your engagement soar. Step 3. AI-powered content creation. No, it won't steal your soul. Worried you're not creative enough? Pfft, nonsense. AI tools like Runway or Jasper can generate scripts, captions, or even video ideas that align with your brand. Feeling stuck? Ask AI to whip up a funny skit idea or a catchy hook. For example, I once used AI to create a 15-second TikTok script that got 2 million views because it was hilariously relatable. AI doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it. Think of it as your hype man, cheering you on while you shine. Step 4. Engage smarter, not harder. AI can also help you connect with your audience like never before. Tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social use AI to analyze comments and DMS, suggesting personalized responses that make your fans feel like VIPs. Reply to a comment with a witty, "Yo, your vibe is giving main character energy," and watch them hit that follow button. AI can even predict which viewers are most likely to subscribe, so you can target them with tailored content. It's like having a superpower to build a loyal tribe. The mindset: dream big, work smart. Now, let's get real for a second. Building a channel that gets billions of views isn't just about tools, it's about mindset. You've got to believe you're destined for greatness. Every viral creator started as a nobody with a phone and a dream. AI is your ladder, but you've got to climb it. Commit to learning one new AI trick each week. Experiment, fail, laugh at the flops, and keep going. The algorithm loves persistence, and so do your future fans. You're not just creating content, you're building a legacy. Why this matters in 2025. We're in the golden age of digital opportunity. With global internet usage skyrocketing, your next video could reach someone in Tokyo, Toronto, or Timbuktu. AI is leveling the playing field, letting small creators compete with the big dogs. But here's the catch. The longer you wait, the more crowded the space gets. Start now. Use AI to amplify your voice, and you'll be the one trending while others are still figuring out hashtags. Your next step. Grab the blueprint. Want to take this to the next level? I've got a secret weapon for you. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0. This ebook is your ultimate guide to turning your channel into a money-making, world-changing machine. It's packed with advanced AI strategies, monetization hacks, and step-by-step plans to build wealth online. From scaling your content to mastering digital assets, this book has it all. Click the link in the description to order Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 today and unlock the secrets to online success. Let's make history together. You're not just a creator, you're a trailblazer. With AI in your corner, there's no limit to how far you can go. So, hit that subscribe button, share this video with your crew, and give it a big ol' like to spread the love. Together, we're going to light up the internet and make those billions of views a reality. Who's with me? Let's do this.